Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is, a man bought a flat for rupees 8,20,000. He borrowed 55% of this money from a bank. How much did he borrow from the bank? So in this question we have to find out the amount which he has borrowed from the bank. So how much is the percentage of the money that he borrowed from the bank? That is 55%. So for this we take the first thing. So we take 55%. So this is 55%. 55% of the actual amount. So how much is the amount? The amount we are having, that is 8,20,000. So this is the total amount, 8,20,000. And from this total amount, how much percent of this amount is the amount borrowed from bank? That is 55%. So we have to find out the 55% of this total amount. So for this we do that is, we take 55%, we write it like this. So 55% of the total amount, so 8,20,000. So after the calculation, so here 0 0 we cancel out, and after full calculation we get that is 55 multiplied by, so how much this is? So this is 8,200. So how much will this become? So 55 multiplied by 8,200, we get here that is 451 and 000. So this is 4,51,000. So this is the amount which he has borrowed from the bank. So this amount is borrowed from the bank, and this is the 55% of the total amount, and this is as well as our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question. So thank you very much.